my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a clean with me of my bedroom. I need to clean it, wipe it down, just because I'm trying to find things to do in this quarantine. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that with you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and stay safe, of course. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we jump into the cleaning portion of the video, I did want to do an unboxing with you guys, just because the company Yaibest did reach out to me and wanted me to try out their silky pillowcases for my bed. So I was like, yes, that is awesome. I would love to try them. I've never tried silky anything for the bed, so this is gonna be my first time. And I know I've heard that silk pillowcases and comforters are good for you, at least good for your hair. At least that's what I heard. So I was like, yes, I would love to try it out. So I will leave all their information down below in the bottom in the description box. You can find them on Amazon and Facebook, so I will leave all that info down below. But yeah, this is the pillowcases right here. And I did mention that I do have a king size bed, so I have king size pillows. So these are the pillowcases right here. So oh yes, they feel super duper soft, and they do have a zipper, so you can definitely remove them and wash them, which is good. So I got this color. It's like a nice gray color, just because my comforters are gray and my bed sheets are gray, so I wanted to blend in with the comforter. So yes, I'm super excited to try these out on the bed. I will show you guys me. So I will be showing you guys me putting them on the bed, so you guys can see how they look and everything. And yeah, thank you guys so much from Yaibest for sending me this. It's very nice, and I love the materials so far. And like I said, I will leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump in to the cleaning portion of the video. Okay, loves, that is it for today's video. I did a short little clean with me video with you guys just because I wanted to clean, wipe down all my surfaces here in my bedroom. So I did that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. My next video will be I think a decluttering video. I'm going to be decluttering under my sink because it definitely desperately needs cleaning, and so that is going to be my next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to stay safe. Bye guys.